I'm Carl Barkemeyer. I defend clients with heroin charges in St. Tammany Parish. If you or someone you know has been arrested for heroin possession, possession with intent to distribute, trafficking, or distribution of heroin, I may be able to help. For over 14 years, I have defended hundreds of clients with heroin charges in Louisiana. I have become so familiar with this area of law that I wrote the book on how to defend drug charges in Louisiana. The drug laws in Louisiana get harsher every year. These charges require serious care and skill, of which I provide to my clients. So if you or someone you know has been arrested for a heroin charge, give me a call. I'd be happy to help.